ベノムズによって現実世界は破壊と混乱。この狩りはかな。はい。魔漢盗殺法。もうここまでだ。貴様のゴミにしてやる。ハメハメ。螺旋丸。行くぜクラマ。よっやハメハメ。とこれで終わりにしてやる。なんしたな。終わりだ。今度は死ぬかもね。うわー。で行くぞ。これで終わりだ。よっ行かせてもらおう。しどい。さて、ととん保留兵器水遁バイバックの術。ぶっ飛ばしてやる。どうだ。
神羅転生。砕けよこの汚れ。
逃げ場はない。竜砂爆流。
元気分けてくれ。よし、できたぞ。
行くぜクラマ。美獣だな。うわーうわー。
The main company actually posted on Twitter and deleted it, and this is how it's going to look like, guys. Naruto, we got Sasuke, and basically, guys, I am super duper excited that we getting all of these guys, but there is going to be multiple characters. We are talking about Sasuke, we're talking about Kid Sasuke, all right, we are talking about Toby, and we are talking about Boruto, which is basically Sasuke's son. He's also going to be in this Fortnite, all right? The company actually leaked it, and the whole battle pass is going to be Naruto. Literally Naruto, like the show. And we have even Nine-Tail Naruto coming out pretty soon, and I am super excited, and I'm gonna talk to you about that more later on this video, okay guys? But also there is multiple skin that was just leaked, which was really insane, guys. And basically, besides Superman and all that, another skin was just got encrypted, all right? And basically, as you can see, this was posted yesterday, all right? And we didn't know what skin was this. Soon enough, we basically find out that it was Tyler from Exorbition, something like that, from Netflix series. If you guys had never saw the show or the movie, basically it's on Netflix original, and this was the movie that actually came out, all right, there. And this skin is now coming to Fortnite, all right, guys. I'm really going to talk to you about back to school event, which is coming out pretty soon. It might come maybe by the end of this month or maybe next week, okay? Now I will let you guys know that this bundle, this is a brand new bundle, and it's coming out in Fortnite on November 2, 2020, all right? And it looked like the one that actually leaked all of these skins, he's correct. So it could be any of these skins that could be coming out pretty soon, all right? And basically, I cannot believe it. You could basically pause the video and check all the skin out, all right? The one is kind of gray is they basically already came out and all that. So just showing you that. The one that is white is basically that have not come out yet, and it's coming out in the nearby future to receive this skin in Fortnite. Okay, and once again, let me just give you a little history on this skin, which is coming out in Fortnite. Once again, this skin was supposed to be a game that is coming out pretty soon. It's called I forgot what was it, but it was basically run by Unreal Engine 5. All right, and the quality and all that was really beautiful and all that. You guys should check out the gameplay after this video. But once again, guys, I have some amazing great news. It looked like we are getting this skin in Fortnite. All right, and we finally find out whose name was this character, because I didn't know what was the name of this character when I saw it. Let me just show you all the new skin beside that. You know, that is pretty cool that they actually bringing this skin in Fortnite. Basically, this skin does have multiple, you know, cosmetic included. Doja icon serious emo is basically coming out. Doja Cat, that's her name. Doja Cat, yeah, her artist. Yeah, the music is pretty cool. I'm not gonna play the music and all that, but it does have his own web. There you go. This is the web right here, and basically the emo. You guys saw the emo is pretty cool. All right. It also have basically a loading screen. All right, and it also coming out. The celebration pack, which is for September. This is gonna be free on the PlayStation 5 and the PlayStation 4. Let me just show you other things beside that. Right? But once again, this is it right here, guys. This is the brand new starter pack that is coming out in mid-September. All right, and it looked pretty badass. All right, and also it does come with some free V-Bucks. All right, once you get the starter pack. So the V-Bucks is gonna be like 600 V-Bucks. It's not much, but it's something. All right, and also let me just show you the back bling, because it does come with a back bling. This is it right here, guys. This is the back bling, which is pretty cool. Also, let me just show you the pickaxe. So this is the pickaxe right here. All right, guys. And also let me just show you other new skins beside that. One of them is gonna be Brainstorm. All right, this one is gonna basically come with a back bling in top of that. So if anybody want to know about the back bling, I'm gonna show it to you right here. This is the back bling right here, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. All right, another skin that is coming out is called Elite. All right, so if you guys do not know about that, this is the Elite, and this is coming out pretty soon. All right, pretty soon, and it looks pretty badass if you ask me. But also, not only for that, but let me just show you also rewards that you can get right now. And you can unlock the Shadow Superman. They actually, you know, did it really early. So let me just show you that real quick, all right? And let me also show you some free rewards and all that. I also want to talk to you about basically the iconic. It looked like there was an update for this skin. So it looked like they might bring it back, or it might be in the item shop. Hopefully it does. That would be pretty amazing. So if you want this, I'm going to hook it up with 5 lucky winners. Make sure you watch the whole entire video. Now, once again, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, turn on all notification, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care, guys. Have a good one, and enjoy the skin. Enjoy the skin. Yeah, and I'm going to be giving out some skin, too, on top of that. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.